Welcome to our journey through history as we explore the top 5 rail trails in Maryland. These trails, once bustling with freight and passenger trains, have been transformed into serene corridors for nature and history enthusiasts. The idea is simple: set up your campsite, then explore each trail at your leisure. From the Baltimore and Annapolis Trail to the Great Allegheny Passage, we're going to uncover the rich past and the stunning scenery that these trails have to offer. So grab your walking shoes, pack your RV, and let's dive in. Have you ever wondered about the history of Maryland's rail trails? These pathways, once bustling with freight and passenger trains, now serve as serene corridors for nature and history enthusiasts alike. First on our list is the Baltimore and Annapolis Trail. This trail follows the route of the former Annapolis and Baltimore Short Line Railroad, a crucial transport link from 1887 to 1968. As you tread along this trail, you'll pass through several historic sites, including the Naval Academy Dairy Farm. And don't worry about where to park your RV. The Millersville KOA journey is conveniently located near the northern end of the trail. Next up is the Northern Central Railroad Trail. This one is a gem, tracing the route of the former Northern Central Railway, a key transportation link during the Civil War. As you wander along this trail, you'll pass through the historic town of Moncton and enjoy views of the Gunpowder Falls River. The KOA campground in Jonestown is a handy spot for RV campers, located near the southern end of the trail. The Western Maryland Rail Trail is another must-see. It follows the route of the former Western Maryland Railway, originally built in the late 19th century. The trail passes through the Paw Paw Tunnel, a marvel that was constructed by hand in the 1830s to bypass a series of rapids on the Potomac River. The Little Orleans campground, near the eastern terminus of the trail, is a perfect spot for RV campers. Then, there's the Capital Crescent Trail. Following the route of the abandoned Georgetown branch of the Baltimore and Ohio Railroad, this trail offers vistas of the Potomac River and passes through the historic town of Georgetown. Cherry Hill Park in College Park, located near the southern end of the trail, is a great place to set up camp with your RV. Last but not least, the Great Allegheny Passage. This trail traces the route of the former Western Maryland Railway and Pittsburgh and Lake Erie Railroad. As you travel along this trail, you'll pass through the historic town of Frostburg and enjoy stunning views of the Allegheny Mountains. Rocky Gap State Park, near the trail in Cumberland, offers a convenient spot for RV camping. In summary, these rail trails offer a unique glimpse into Maryland's transportation history and provide an opportunity to explore the state's natural beauty at a leisurely pace. Plus, with neighboring RV campgrounds, you can stay, camp, and enjoy these trails for an extended period. So why not take a trip back in time and explore Maryland's rich history one rail trail at a time? And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Subscribe for more videos.